Hi there! If you wish to change a SIM card PIN code on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, just follow my lead, I will show you everything. So first let's go to settings and let's scroll down to the security and privacy settings right here. Let's go there and here scroll all the way down and find other security settings. And here we need set up SIM card lock. So first, if your SIM card is unlocked, it means that your phone doesn't require the PIN codes at startup. So first turn it on and enter your PIN codes. Enter your PIN code and now you can change this PIN code. Enter your PIN code again. And then enter your new PIN code. For example, you wish something simpler. And repeat your enter to confirm. Tap OK. That's it. Your PIN code is changed and the phone will require it on startup. And now let's check how it works. I've just powered the phone off and now I'm powering it on back again. Let's wait for a while. Now we have to unlock our phone first, and this is the phone unlocking code. We have 4x1 as well, but when we swipe to unlock our phone, we can see that we are not able to unlock this phone with our current SIM card without entering your new PIN code. So let's enter it. Okay. And only then our phone is starting. So I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.